Let's talk about the important part of any 3D package software, that is UVs. For example, if you come to your own 3D software, Cinema 4D or any other packages, if you select object, you have something called UVs. This is our 3D objects is stored, and we have expand version of that model that it's 2D. This is 3D and this is the 2D. It's an UV that we can import and insert texture on top of this, and insert a texture on this 2D UV, and it's projected in 3D. Okay, if you insert object in twinmotion, we want to make a texture. You can see we don't have UV tools that are here. If you pick the material of any object, pick this material, you can see we have now these tools. How to assign the material, or how to insert the UVs on object. If you import that sort from Cinema 4D to InMotion, it's automatically, if you come here, it's automatically by default, holding your mouse to open it, it's by default from object UV. It means it's insert the UV that you created in your 3D software. And if you, for example, exit from the material picker, these tools are disappear. If you go to the material and stone, it's automatically insert, because it tells you, okay, in which method you want to insert UV. Because we insert this sort from our 3D software and UV is correct, you can simply click and drag and insert UVs on this, and you can see the UVs are very correct and nice, and you can scale, rotate. I will explain it. For example, you can rotate it at any direction, and they are correct and nice. You can scale it if you want. It is from UV. But if we have the object inside of twinmotion, we have a different projection of the UVs. Look at this image to better understanding. Okay, for example, this is our object, and we have a different engine to project our UV onto the object. This is cubic. It means the engine of projection of the UV is in all direction, and it project this texture on an object. Cylindrical, imagine this is a cylindrical that is project in a cylindrical way. For example, the surface of the cylindrical. In a planar, we have just a plan that is surface in one direction, and you can see the texture stretch in these edges. And a spherical is special for a spherical